Okay. Hey guys. Hi Maddie. Alright, here's our Knex drawing machine that we've just finished. We're running off of one of these motors which takes AA batteries. It's rather fast, so I had to put it on a gear to make it slow down to the drive shaft. It's powering this set of gears, which is pushing that arm, and it goes over that drive shaft and powers this set of gears to that arm. And with just the regular drawing machine, I've heard it called a harmonograph. Say harmonograph, Maddie.
Harmonograph.
Good job. Just with the regular harmonograph or drawing machine, I've got these kind of pictures off of it. Kind of neat three-dimensional donut shapes. And if you adjust the alignment of the gears, you get these kind of shapes. Which are pretty fun. But I wanted to make something different, so I added in a rotating table, and from the regular drive shaft there, I slowed it down, the black gear under there and a larger red one, to this series of gears, to this drive shaft, which turns the big black sprocket, and which turns the table. So the table rotates at the same time as the arms are rotating and pushing, and it draws a design as it spins, all driven off of that motor. So we've been able to make some cool designs like that and like that, kind of a neat spiral shape, which is pretty good for Knex. I mean, it's not flawless, but it's pretty good for Knex. So I think we're going to try it again, and I'm going to video it so you can see it working.
Dad?
Okay, so I put my paper in there. It's being held by these Knex arms, but it's also paper clipped to this folder. And that seems to hold it. Now it turns, but it's a little jerky sometimes. So we'll turn it on here, and you'll see that it's starting to draw in red ink right now.
Hey, it made the A.
Yeah, I made it A.
It made a 4.
A 4, that's right,
A
Maddie.
star.
It's fascinating, isn't it? Let's take a close-up of these gears. So the motor is driving the green one there, turning the big black one, which is on the drive shaft, coming over here, turning that first medium red gear, which if you look closely, the top gear is spinning, the yellow gear is spinning one direction, and the black gear is spinning the opposite direction. That black gear is connected to that middle drive shaft, not the yellow gear. So the middle drive shaft is being turned by the black gear. That middle drive shaft is spinning that gray one. Now you can hook up the arms so the arms will rotate in little epicycles like a planetary epicycle, but in this case the arms are just attached straight to the center of that yellow one. So the drive shafts are connected by those two yellow spindles. That gray drive shaft goes over here and is spinning that the same way. And then here in the middle there's a black gear to the yellow one, which is the yellow one's, or the red one's slowing down a little bit, turning that one, spinning that red one. Yeah. And there you see that connection spinning that perpendicular drive shaft at a fairly slow rate compared to what it's spinning over there. I mean, it's being slowed down. It's being slowed down enough that the table's not spinning too fast. That was a challenge. And then that little black gear is spinning the big black sprocket. I think the black sprocket has 68 teeth on it. And the table is supported by those yellow rods and the table itself is sitting on 4 corners. And we've got a nice looking shape going. Cool looking spiral. And I think I'll let the video play to draw a full shape so you can watch it. What do you think of that, Maddie? You like that? What shape is it now?
Star.
That's geometry.
It looks like a fish though.
It looks like a fish? Yeah, I
And,
can see that.
and the silk is like a donut.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm, there's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah. Girl, you gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man. Take him